Sugar is one of the biggest culprits in the modern diet, and it's not just because it makes us gain weight. Consuming too much sugar can harm your health, leading to health issues such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. Firstly, let's talk about weight gain. Sugar is a highly concentrated source of calories that provides virtually no nutritional value. When you consume too much sugar, your body stores the excess calories as fat. Over time, this can lead to significant weight gain, linked to severe health issues. So if you want to shed some pounds and improve your overall health, reducing your sugar intake is crucial. But that's not all, as consuming too much sugar can also wreak havoc on your dental health. When you consume sugar, bacteria in the mouth metabolize sugars to produce acid. This acid can erode your tooth enamel, leading to cavities and other dental problems. And let's not forget about the risk of type 2 diabetes. When you consume sugar, your body breaks it into glucose for energy usage. However, when you consume too much sugar, your body can become resistant to insulin, a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels. This can lead to high blood sugar levels, ultimately increasing your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Cutting down on sugar may sound challenging, as it lurks in almost every food. But fear not, because there are plenty of simple and effective ways to reduce sugar intake. 1. Read food labels carefully. When buying packaged foods, check the label for added sugars. Choose products with little to no added sugar. 2. Limit sugary beverages. Sodas, juice, and sports drinks are loaded with sugar. Limit your intake of these beverages and opt for water, unsweetened tea, or low-fat milk instead. 3. Choose fresh fruits over sugary snacks. Fruits contain natural sugars but provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Instead of reaching for a candy bar, grab an apple or banana. 4. Avoid processed foods. Many processed foods, such as cookies, cakes, and pastries, contain high amounts of added sugar. Limit your intake of these foods and opt for whole, nutrient-dense foods instead. 5. Cook at home. When you cook at home, you have more control over the ingredients that go into your meals. This can help you limit your sugar intake and make healthier choices overall. In conclusion, the impact of sugar on your health is undeniable. Still, you can dramatically improve your overall health and well-being by taking a few simple steps to reduce your sugar intake. So if you're ready to take control of your diet and live a healthier life, start by cutting down on sugar today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us.